Good morning, everybody. It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. Today we're out here in South Shore Harbor. We are going to do a lawn restoration service, okay, with 1 cubic yard of topsoil. In this service, we always include either Humates Plus or Microlife Hybrid, depending on the season. And but most of the time, I have to say, I really love Microlife, the Humates Plus, because it's good all year round, all the time, no matter what. So we're going to put the fertilizer down, we're going to do the topsoil, and then we're going to mix up a beautiful batch of Hippie juice to finish it all off and start really stimulating those microbes and improving your soil structure. So if you're having trouble getting your lawn back to life, okay, the lawn restoration package might just be for you. Let's get this going. So let's see here. I hate to admit it because I'm not a fan of this brand here, but these spreaders are pretty good for most of the Microlife products, okay? Especially Humates Plus and Microgrow Granular and Microlife Hybrid. I'm gonna put it on the highest setting. I really like my edge guard. Helps just reduce the mess a little bit, but it doesn't really matter too much because when we do our topsoil, that stuff's going to get a little bit everywhere, and we just blow it all into the yard and do a little cleanup when we finish. And we're on to the top dressing section of our lawn restoration package. this thing says online that it holds about 1/3 of a cubic yard. Well, that's compost. Compost is a lot lighter, and if it's really good compost, it's very well screened. It's good stuff. But here, for the purpose of bringing back lawns, and primarily in my area, it's St. Augustine, but it also works well on Zoysia and Bermuda. Okay, most of southern lawns really like a sandy loam. This stuff is definitely what I coin as a sandy loam. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I like to get mine from a certain place. Y'all maybe have heard it in other videos and stuff. EDS Landscape, they get it from a place called New Earth Compost, and I love it because it's a good sandy mix. But not only that, because I'm using my top dressing spreader, I need a consistent product, right? Because y'all don't want me slinging rocks all over your yard. I don't want to be slinging rocks all over your yard. Not good for your mower, it's not good for my machine. And their enriched topsoil that they get almost never has rocks or big chunks or any of that. So I'm always, always, always satisfied with the consistency of this product. Now, thank God it's about 63 degrees out right now. Doing this in the middle of summertime, you'll lose that water weight quick, know what I'm saying? Now, for the actually spreading section. And again, you know, in the process, it does get kind of messy, but that's okay. The other good thing about this is that it blows off concrete and hard surfaces super easy. Part of the portion of our lawn top dressing. We're going to go ahead and wrap this section up, and we will be back to you when we get to our hippie juice. Thank you. So we're back. We are on the last phase of our lawn restoration project, and then we're starting in the back of the yard this time with this portion of it. As you can probably hear our engine going, it's pretty loud, so it's not conducive for video making, but this is the last part of a lawn restoration package. Our lovely hippie juice. I wish you could smell this through the video because you can smell the sweetness, the aroma of the molasses. Molasses has iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, B vitamins, and sugars. And they really, really, really help stimulate the soils. They help stimulate the microbes that are in the microlife. Then they help green up your lawn. Really, molasses has been kind of like the key to how well this works. Seaweed's amazing. Humic acid, of course, is a base in all of our hippie juice sprays because we do mix it up sometimes. But you know, molasses is a key ingredient, of course. So, and as you can probably tell, it's coming out really dark. Another thing I love about our hippie juice portion of the application, or our hippie juice applications period, is, you know, we pretty much can't go wrong. Unlike with other applications that they have for lawns, you know, some of them you can overdo them real easy and burn it, right? Hippie juice, I can forget that I'm doing this video and spray it all in one spot, and they're just gonna have like a little bit greener area right there, and it will fade out. Okay, so if I do happen to forget, don't worry, it's gonna even out. This is, again, the last portion of our lawn restoration process, is spraying our Hippie juice. Then we do a final blow of these sidewalks and driveway in any area that we need to get access microlife fertilizer or our topsoil off of the sidewalks, driveways, out of the cracks of the flower beds and stuff, so that when we leave, you'll see our soil, you'll see some Hippie juice on the grass, but we do our best to not leave a mess. Thank you very much. That is our lawn restoration package. We'll be coming to you soon.